amazing road cleaning vehicles. They help keep our roads clean and safe.
Let's go! Let's go!
Street sweeper. This is a street sweeper. It sweeps dust and leaves. Sweep, sweep, clean road. Vacuum road sweeper. This is a vacuum sweeper. It sucks tiny dirt away. Mechanical broom sweeper. Look at the big brushes. The road is clean. Regenerative air sweeper. Air lifts the dirt and cleans the road. Water sprinkler truck. Water washes the road. Road washing truck. Strong water. The street is shiny. Garbage collection truck. Here comes the garbage truck. Pick up trash. Sidewalk cleaning machine. This little machine cleans sidewalks. Clean steps, happy feet. Compact street sweeper. This sweeper is small. It cleans tiny streets too. High pressure jetting truck. Strong water cleans hard dirt. Dust control truck. Soft water mist. No more flying dust. Snow plow truck. Push the snow away. Drive safe. Salt spreader truck. Sprinkle, sprinkle salt. Ice melts away. Vacuum litter picker. Leaves and paper. Slough. All go. Road vacuum cleaner. Tiny dust is gone. The road is smooth. Fully emptier truck. This truck cleans drains. Water flows again. Shower jetting truck. Water rushes inside pipes. Clean and clear. Beach road cleaner. Stand on the road. Clean, clean. Beach road is ready. Tunnel cleaning vehicle. Brush, brush inside the tunnel. So clean. Electric street sweeper. This sweeper is quiet. Clean road, clean air.
Great job, friends! Our roads are clean now. Thank you, road cleaning work. Bye-bye. See you next time.